Installation manual. This is the base, panel, pillar. Insert the pillar into the groove in the direction of the red icon. Press the pillar down, loosen the buckle to automatically fasten the strut. Align the protrusion of the panel groove with the notch of the pillar. Install the panel. Press the panel down. The buckle will be fastened automatically. Press and hold the side button to adjust the panel angle. Open the device bezel. Put the computer or tablet on it. You can work easily. Open the middle bezel. Put the book on. Open the page turning bar. Start enjoying easy reading with hands-free. Press and hold the buckle and lift the panel up and out. Open the pillars on both sides of the bottom of the panel. It becomes a great desktop stand. Lightweight and portable, multi-use scenarios, all-rounder for work, study, entertainment, and home use. More functions waiting for you to unlock.
Cause you are too afraid to hurt your pride. I guess you were just so misunderstood. You know I'm never truly gone for good. If I could look inside your brain